Hello, all my fabulous private practice owners out there. Hey, we know you're struggling. That's why twice a year we bring you Foundation. What is Foundation? It's 3 webinars over the course of 2 days. You can buy one, you can buy two, you can buy all three. And of course, we always incentivize if you buy all three. Great for you, great for your leaders. What does it entail? Well, it is the foundation of some of the most important critical things that you need for your staff to rise up and fully understand their positions and what you expect from them and what they can expect from you. That's taken care of in the hat writing, which is a really old-timey word for job description. But when you really solidify that and you really write hats for specific positions in your company, wait till you see the magic that happens when you do that. That brings us to number 2, which is bonuses. How do you retain some of the best people? Well, the best people, your A plus, A team players, they want to be incentivized. They want to produce. They want to have an incentivization, and this bonus structure is exactly how you're going to do it. It's how you're going to separate yourself out from the competition with a great bonus structure. So we go over that in the second webinar. The third one, and boy, do I love this one because there's such a myth around it, is the insurance negotiation. Guys, this is one of our most popular by demand webinars because we have a proven method. I know there's a rumor out there that you cannot and you're stuck with whatever they want to give you. That is not the case. So I want to see you bring your staff, get trained up, get your leaders trained up, and come join us for Foundation.